call me, and I'm so sorry that this screen, my picture is not really clear right now, and it's so dark. But that's not the reason why we're here. We're here to make money, and today's video, I just want to quickly show you this opportunity I just got into know about that can make you earn $25. As in, right now, you can earn this $25 right now. You can see right here beside the screen here, you say earn $25, refer a friend now. That's what it says. See right here. It says earn $25 when you refer a friend right now. So if you just go to this site by yourself right now, you might not be able to earn the money except you click the link that I'm going to drop in the comment box below right now. You click the link and you go and sign up. That's the only time you can get to get your $25. And after you sign up, you get your $25, and you refer other people to this to this um to this website. It's Payoneer. You refer other people to this website, and you also get 25. The more people you refer, the more money you make. So there's no limit to how much money you can make per day with this website, as long as you keep referring people. You can check up this website online, and you see that they are really a very this website Payoneer is like PayPal. It's like PayPal. Everybody know PayPal. PayPal is all over the world. But the problem we have with PayPal in Nigeria is PayPal don't you can't get paid in Nigeria. We that we are into the online business, you can't really get paid with PayPal. You can only send people money with PayPal. I've been using PayPal for years right now, and I've not been able to collect payment get payment with PayPal. So with this Payoneer website right now, you can get paid, you can send money to anybody and all over the world, and also you earn money. I'm gonna drop the link below this site right now. You click the link and you go and register. When you register, you get $25, and of course I also get $25 for referring you. So you just keep, you see, I have one person signed up already. I just got to know about it. So then you can refer people through email, through Facebook, through Twitter, to Instagram, and you can also copy this link and post it on other social media for your friends to register and get connected with you. So thank you guys for this video, and the bonus I talked about. Yeah, here is the bonus. You see, in this bonus, this is the bonus I want to give you. This bonus is, you see, now you can legally have an entire library of 1000 plus make money online courses worth over 72,000 plus dollars. Yeah, that's the bonus I'm giving you. This is gonna cost you like just $10. And you can buy this. What this does is this course is gonna give you this course is going to give you 1000 plus Udemy course. Here is the one I get. You see, if you, as at the time you're watching this video, I've not changed this picture on Facebook. This picture you're seeing right here is the same picture I'm using on Facebook right now. So that's to say that I'm logged into my Udemy account right now. So you see, I'm in my Udemy account right now. Let me scroll down and let me show you how much course I have into. You see, I have, this is just 12, this is just one of 12 courses. You see, I have 1152 courses in my account. That's after I buy the bonus I'm showing you right now. So I have this course, all these courses that are cost about 12. Some cost about $100 to buy this course. You get into this course and you can learn anything you want to learn in any of these courses. See, this course had different topic from, see, these are the topics that you have in the course. This is affiliate marketing, Snapchat, Twitter. You can get into any of these courses and be a guru, be a coach, and start, you see, different things about all these courses that people had on Udemy, about Facebook and all of those things. So you have tons of courses on, and this is just cost $10. So I'm going to drop the link below this also in the comment box, in the description box below, so you can go and get this for $10 and have all these courses 1000 plus with into your account. So I don't want this video to be too long, guys. You can get the $25 right now. You just go and sign up and you get it $25 right now. And please guys, don't forget to like this video, comment below this video, share this video with your friend, and I bet you they are going to like you for doing that, and they're going to appreciate you for that. So, and also there's a subscription box below also. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, and so you can get update of my other video coming up soon. So thank you guys so much for this opportunity, for checking out this video. Go get this right now for just $10, and you can have 1,000 plus on different topics that you can learn right now on forex market, anything whatsoever. They are there. You can learn them, and you can learn how to make a mostly mobile app is there, programming. This course, you can even share this course with your friend. When you buy them, you can use this course to become a pro in any field you want to choose. See, Facebook, YouTube, you can use this course to become, see this is my account right now. I've been learning a lot from this course right now. So this is what I just want to share with you. So guys, thank you so much. Comment below. I'm gonna share my my Facebook link here, so you can connect with me on Facebook. And I really appreciate that you comment, that you connect with me on Facebook. So thanks guys, and please don't forget to subscribe below this video right now. Subscribe to my channel so you can get more updates to other videos that I'm doing, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much. Bye for now.